Preparation before assembly. Cleaning and lubrication of contact surfaces. Step 1. Loosening. Loosen all screws by at least 2 turns. Move at least 3 screws into the flange extraction holes to separate the rings. Step 2. Insertion. Insert the locking assembly into the shaft and hub seats, making sure it's properly aligned. Step 3. Screw repositioning. Return the screws to their original positions. Torque wrench adjustment. Adjust the torque wrench to the torque value indicated in the catalog. Step 4. Cross tightening. Tighten all screws, except those near the slit, gradually and evenly in a crisscross pattern. Step 5. Final tightening. Complete the operation by tightening all the screws of the locking assembly